Cool. We're live. Let's go. Is it live? Yeah, we are live. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, well, if you're just joining, well, yeah, I just started the stream. Today I'm building, or I'm continuing working on my website for selling siphon pots. So the plan is drop shipping right now. So I got an Instagram page with a couple thousand followers. Um, and I'm planning on retargeting on those because I can generate some sort of traffic. And then I'm using WordPress because I'm familiar with it. Um, Although I've never done what I'm trying to do with it. And it's a very low cost for me per month. So that means that I can just have a low traffic and then just not worry about the $40 overhead every month. Because right now I'm not making enough to just forget about the $40 overhead. Um, Especially when I'm probably going to be losing money on ads. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So now where was I at? Pages. Yeah, so right now I was just stripping all the pages because I want to turn this WordPress website into a funnel. That's the plan. So if I visit the site, you're going to see what I see right now. So yesterday I just added WooCommerce, figured out how to, I can turn this into a button with a little bit of HTML. It's not that bad. Yeah, so I got rid of everything else on the page. Or I found, yeah, somehow I gotta get this centered. I mean, it's not that big a deal right now. Um, this edit thing only shows because I'm admin. So, anyways, I stripped everything. If you're familiar with WordPress, you know there'd be like a bunch of links and all of. I don't want that. I'll have to add a footer for the stuff like the contact us page and that sort of stuff. Um, I mean, I could add it as a header. Smaller. I'll have to go check. I don't think I need. No, I can just put it as a footer. Um, but anyway, so I figured out how to get this link. This is set up with WooCommerce, and it adds the siphon pot supplier right into my cart, and it moves me right to the cart. So if I click on this, boom, here we go. We're set up. So now I gotta fix the fact that it keeps putting an extra one. That's if it has cookies. So somehow I gotta figure out how to like disable cookies for WooCommerce. Um, which I don't think should be that bad. Like I just need to disable some sort of functionality. But anyways, yeah. So I want to disable that cookie while keeping it because I want to do the upsell stuff. Like I don't want to break the other stuff later, right? Because I want to do the upsell. So when you go like, I can replace this proceed to checkout button. If I can modify the cart, it's like add this, and then after they buy, then I'll start selling them other shit. But anyways, this is so this is the actual product page, but they're never gonna see the product page. That's how I'm designing a website. But this is what I'm selling them. So I don't know if you've ever seen this. This is like I bought one. I was okay with. Some people really love these things. So anyways, you heat the water and then the water gets pushed up. See how it's getting like up here? It's getting pushed up because the steam pushes down on the liquid and it pushes up the tube, and then it goes up here and then it stirs kind of like a French press, and then it comes back. You get like French press like coffee. That's a lot less oily because you got this little cotton thing up here that's catching all the grains and the oil. All in all, it's kind of cool, yeah. But anyways, on the IG, everyone's a big fan of these things, and $60. The Hario version goes for like 100. So this still looks really cheap, and I'm getting it from where's it at? I'll find it. I'll find it. There we go. I'm getting it from here for a total of 30 some bucks. So I'm gonna have like a 50% profit margin on these things, which is actually not bad at all. Yeah, so I just decided to just forget about the product page because there's a bunch of little things that I have to get rid of. So like obviously on the first page over here, I'll have the product photo, but I can customize the whole thing however I want. Yeah, so that's the plan. That's the plan. Let's keep working on it. So what was the next step? So that's working properly. Do I just want to prototype everything? I don't have another product. Because the other step is just building the product copy, right? We could just start making a copy. College starts in about 2 hours for me, just by the way. From home. So I got a little bit of time to kill. You know what? We're just gonna write product copy, and I don't remember how to do this, so we're just gonna go on YouTube. Dropshipping product copy. There we go. There's this dude.
This video is going to be all about product pages and how to make product pages that actually convert. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Nate Schmidt, back with another video. I think y'all are going to like this one. A lot of my followers and subscribers send me their stores and ask me to get feedback on them, and honestly, like, the overwhelming majority of them suck. They suck like donkey balls, like really, really bad. The thing is, most of the time it's fairly easy to fix and it doesn't have to take all that much time. So what we're going to do in this video is I've got a dropshipping store up that needs some serious work. We're going to take their exact product page, we're going to copy it over to our store, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that product page and I'm going to recreate it exactly step by step how I create my own product pages. And that way you can see exactly how I make my own product pages, and from there you can probably use that to inform your own strategy and take a little bit of inspiration from that for your own stuff. You're going to see exactly how I do things. You're going to see a lot of the common mistakes that you'll probably want to avoid that a lot of beginners tend to make when it comes to making the product pages. And honestly, this video is just going to be super valuable, so you probably want to watch it. So there's a lot of different ways to make product pages. What we're going to do in this video, though, is the 100% free way. We're not going to use any sort of paid themes. We're not going to use any sort of crazy paid apps. We're literally just going to use a free Shopify theme, do what we can to the best of our ability, and really just do things as simple and basic as possible, but still actually make it look really good. All right? Y'all ready? Let's do it. So I have the product page up right here that we're going to kind of be basing everything on. It's this website. I've actually used this in a previous video before. It's a website called The Rare Wear. It looks like this specific product is called a folding portable iron. It's this little thing I think that you kind of bring when you're traveling and stuff to iron your clothes. It's really small and compact. So if we look at their page, they've got a little product description. They've got some pictures with some little captions and stuff like that. Got a nice little GIF here. They've got some specifications, no reviews, things like that. So pretty basic product page. There's a lot that we can do to improve this, and that's exactly what we're about to do. So I've gone ahead and made a new Shopify store. I've copied everything from that product page over to our product page, and we have pretty much the exact same thing. Let's see what we can do to make this product page like 100 and probably like 1,000 times better than this one. And a little side note, we're going to be doing pretty much everything on mobile. Most of your website visitors are going to be seeing your website on mobile, so that's what we're really going to focus on. All right, so as you see here, we have the Shopify store up. We have this product page. I've kind of pasted everything that was on that other product page. This is basically what our product page is looking like right now. So the first thing I like to do before we even get into any of the content or...
I'm thinking I used to have this thing, but I'm probably going to use it to film a video. Hello, Pop. No. Hur tar du den? Kostar till det. Okay. Okay, so. Quel game? No? Okay. What was I thinking? Yeah, okay. Moncton. Holy shit, I can't type this morning. Siphon pod. See, that's what I'm saying. Like the top alone is $38. Like I actually found a good deal. Found a good deal. Do I just buy it again and then wait the 3 months? Or not the 3 months, wait a month? I threw my last one out because I don't personally enjoy making coffee in this. I know a lot of people enjoy having this thing, which is why I'm still okay selling it. I shouldn't have thrown it out. It was just taking so much place. Well, it wasn't taking that much room. I don't know. I don't remember why I threw it out. Okay, anyways, let's download all the pictures. Is that what I want to do? No, we're going to make the product
copy or anything on the product page. What I like to do is just go to online store, go to themes, and then hit customize and change the fonts and the colors. The fonts and the colors honestly have so much impact on how your store looks and how it's really perceived by people who visit it. The default we have here with this debut theme, we're actually going to stick with the debut theme, but you'll see here, it just looks...
Okay, you know what, I'll just take the same fonts here. He advises. Let's do that. Appearance. Customize. Here we go.
It's very kind of lackadaisical. It doesn't look good. It's just very bland and it doesn't look good. So let's see what we can get. So we're going to go over to theme settings. We're going to hit colors and let's see what we can do with these colors here. So first thing I notice is that the headings, they're not like dark black. They're kind of a more gray color. So we're going to change these to a darker black color. Not 100% like straight black, but pretty black. Next thing we're going to do is change the body text. The body text is also a little bit too light. It's kind of hard to see. So if we change the body text to something not quite as dark as the headings, but still a little bit darker than it was, that looks a little bit better there. And then the final thing we're going to change with the colors is the button color and the sale price color. So we're not actually going to see the sale price right now because there's no sale price here. But if we go here and we change this, the color that I'm choosing for this is actually the same color as...
Go through the colors, typography. That's what I want right now. Cool.
As this little button right here. I saved the photo. I went into Photoshop and did that little thing where it will tell you what the color is or the exact color code. So I went and did that. I got that, and apparently it's this. So we're going to go ahead and put that here, change the color of the buttons, and that is all we're going to do for the colors. Just give it a little bit more of a vibrant look and make it a little bit easier to read with that darker text. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to typography. So you'll notice this font right here is just like pretty plain. It honestly does not really do anything for me. I want that to look a little bit better. So let's see what we can find here. I already have a font in mind, actually. Let's try this one, Oswald. We'll select that. All right, so now it's changed to that. That looks a little bit better, but let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger, maybe medium, make it a little bit more bold, see how that looks. Ooh, I like that. That looks a lot better. And then let's go ahead and change the size to be a little bit bigger. All right, that's looking pretty solid. Now, let's move on to the body text. For the body text, I usually like to go with something a little bit more kind of minimalistic and easy to read. So I like this one a lot, actually. Let's call it the name. The name is already started of the product. The title we have now, Folding Portable Iron, is just kind of flat. It doesn't really do anything for me, so we're going to give it a sexy name and see what we can do here. Instead of just calling it a Folding Portable Iron, let's call it the Iron Pro TM Folding Portable Travel Iron. Now, do be careful using TM. I kind of just did that because I like the way it looks, but we would actually have to, if we were going to run the store, we'd have to actually look up and see, is that trademarked? And then if we actually wanted to do that, actually get a trademark. But I like the way this looks. I think it makes it a little bit more standoutish, so that's why we're doing it. All right, next up, before we even hit the product description or the
Okay. So now if I go on the page. Let's trash this. Yeah, because I tried using Elementor, and I was like, no. We wanted certain now. Just for doing basic shit that I can do anyways, but just copy pasting HTML. When we'd start paying like $30 a month, which defeats the whole reason. See, I'm in no rush. That's mostly the main reason. So, since I'm in no rush, I'll take that little bit of extra time to save me $30 a month, and then just have a website that I know how to change stuff on. So this is the code that adds a button. Okay. Yeah, I guess I can just name it something. Alright, let's go check on Amazon. How do they name them? Siphon Coffee Pot. How do you call it? That's a shit name. Stereo Technica. Technica. I mean, you can just look up names of coffee. Coffee names. I think Technica is a coffee. No, this is not. These are drinks. Type of coffee. Sadamo. Sadamo sounds kind of cool. Liberica. Typica. Bourbon Geisha. Basics. Brew method. Espresso variant. Gomasa. Pour over a single marshmallow. Cafe Gomasa. Congelo. The iced coffee version of espresso. Cortado. Guillermo Breve. Tesoro. Yeah, Ace Cafe. iced coffee and vanilla ice cream. That sounds kind of good, actually. I'm kind of down. Chai latte, liquor coffee, calories and coffee. Yeah, you covered a lot of them. Holy shit. Ibérica. You know, the Librica. We'll call it the Librica. Why not? Is it that much better if I put the Liberica? I mean, it's just named after coffee at this point. I'm overthinking this. Yeah. No, that's a shit name. Java. 3 syllables. So I'm just looking at Hario because Hario's the big name coffee brewer supplier, and I mean, they probably put some thought into how they're doing this. They got the cleanest looking names though compared to whatever the fuck this is. Like a 3-cup coffee. Two-cup coffee siphon. Okay. Put it right in the name. That's how they call it. Iberica 2-cup coffee siphon. Just text. Paragraph, that's what it's called. Just I want to get this on top. That's what's going on here. There we go. Because that's the buy button. Okay. Gee, I'll put a note here so I can remember it's the buy button. This is the add to cart button. Boom. There we go. Now I can remember what it is. So if I start copying exactly, I'm just going to copy exactly what he's going to do.
The content or the product photos or anything like that, what I want to do is change the offer. If we go back here and we look at the original site we're kind of basing this all on, you see that their offer is just $39.99. That's it. There's not really an offer here at all. So instead of just saying it's $39.99, let's make it somewhat compelling, give some sort of a discount, some reason for people to buy right now. We'll scroll down here to variants. We'll click this, and then we'll click an open bulk editor. And then from here, let's change the compare price. Let's make it a 70% discount. My math tells me that that would make this about $133. So we'll make the compare price $133.95, and that will make it a 70% discount. All right, now let's go ahead and preview this and see what this looks like. All right, it is already starting to look a lot better. We still have this same description. We're going to change this here in a second. But just based off this, this definitely looks a lot better than it did. The next thing we're going to do, though, if we go, scrolling down here, we see this add to cart button. What I like to put under my add to cart buttons is some sort of a trust badge. Now, if we go back here, we see...
Oh, the add to cart button's up top, right? Oh, yeah, okay. The add to cart button's up top. Compelling offer. I mean, this can be the compelling offer right here. How do they make it look here? Just crossed out. I can just put this in a heading. I can just make this a heading. So H2 heading. Okay. So we're just gonna bar it out. What's my current price? What the fuck? I don't remember the current price. So compare at price. Alright, these are all Canadian, right? Oh, these are Canadian prices. I'm being stupid. He's selling it for $148. I mean, if this guy's selling it for $148 with 27, who's buying this? Who's paying this price? Are people actually paying this price? What the hell? Are these fake reviews? I don't get it. How is this? How is saying this is an economical unit? They're all verified purchases. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just make it a 50% discount. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. So what do we got? So it's gonna be 120. So 59.97 equal 59.97. That's the new price. Compare at strike through. Cool. So I need to pick like my 3 colors, or my 2 colors. What's gonna be the other color? My accent color. That's what I need to pick. I guess it's gonna be like some sort of gold. Let's do it. I have a picture downloaded somewhere. I had it. Is it still there? Yes, it's still here. Cool. Open this. paint 3D. Let's go. Is that the accent color I want? Because, I mean, there's a couple colors I can go for here. Or do I want this instead? Oh, this one could be kind of pretty. Yeah, let's do that. So what is this one called? So that's the hex code? Cool. So span, style equals color. Was it font color? Is that how that works? Font color. Text color. That's what it's called. Where was I? I need another monitor. No, here, let's put the other span, just so it works. Okay. Font color. Wait, no, it has to have bracket, right? I don't know, it's just color. Just color. There's no font color, it's just color. Rip color. Hex, and then boom. That should work. Just add this. Hey, and it does. I'll change the typography, it's fine. Cool. Yeah, so that's gonna be my accent color for now. So now if we look on the product page, yeah, I'm not changing anything here. Oh, I gotta push this. So let's push this, boom. Why is this not on a new line? Yeah, I'll change the fonts. These fonts are ugly as fuck. Okay. So apparently this doesn't cause a new line. What happens if I put text underneath? Like, no, this is just me being curious. I'm wondering how WordPress works. Test. Let's put the test up here. Boom. Let's update this. What happens if I do this? My guess is test is going to show up on the right of the new price. So now it does the new line. Oh, it's wrong. I was wrong when I set that reminder. Okay, test. So the new lines in WordPress are at the start of these things. Oh shit. Here, let's put that up here. Preview, bam. So that means I need to put new line up here. I mean, I can always remove it too later. Okay. forget how to do a new line in HTML. I don't do enough HTML, so I keep. Okay, what's the line break? The BR tag. Okay, there's no end tag. Oh, BR for break. Cool. BR. There we go. Oh, I see what's going on. Never mind this BR tag. I just gotta put a P tag around this. Just turn it into text. That's what's going on. Because it's just putting both sheets HTML right in front of each other. And then, yes. Why is it carrying over the font? Because I turned it into a P. Yeah, H2 is stopping. Okay. This seriously updated? Let's give this a tag. Then I can just do this later. Yeah, ID equal to yeah, price header. That works. Wait, how do I turn something into a button? I don't remember. Button. HTML. Let's just turn it into a button right now. Oh, okay, let's just turn it into a button. See what that looks like. I know, I'm moving at a snail's pace. I don't care. Oh. Forgot the end tag. Here we go. Button. D equals. So I push this. Reset this. That should give me a square. That's what this button looks like. Cool. Interesting. Yeah, let's put the BR. Just break it. So, that's good. And then let's download all the other images. So we got this image. This is a weird picture. Think about it. They got coffee, and then they got coffee here, and then dry coffee up here. But like that coffee should be used now. I just realized this is a really weird picture. It's okay. I'll order it again, and then I'll make the pictures. I'll just edit a video myself. How did I get these pictures? I don't remember. Let's put in here. Boom. No. Here, let's put a tag at the end. One. There we go. Boom. Yeah, let's just download all of them. Boom. Perfect. Just let me download them. Is anyone there? I'm just checking. I'm already live, right? It's the studio. I need more monitors. Cool. Cool. No one was there. Cool. Sure, it's fine. It's 8, right? Yeah, it's almost 8. Cool. Accomplished absolutely nothing. That's fine. I'll write the code at some point. Did I download this? Save image? I don't know if I did. No, I did not. I did, yes. Yes, I did. Cool. Cool. So I got all the images. Okay. Set up. So now WEP to PNG. Save image. That's me converting. I'm just converting these. I'm gonna have to do it at some point, so let's do it now and then. I'm gonna call it a day. I know this is a snail's pace. I don't care. I just don't want to pay that like $60 a month, because like keep in mind those are American prices. I'm Canadian. It's expensive real fast. And I mean, I'm going into web design, so I'm getting to practice a little bit of web design. It's fair. No, it's a 3-cup. I don't know what. Do they say 2-cup? They say 2-cup on this website. Oh no, they say 3-cup. Why am I calling it a 3? Why did I think it was a 2-cup? 3-cup. Cool. Liberica 3-cup coffee siphon. That's what we're gonna call it. That's cool. And then now, image. Just add an image. Upload image. And we're gonna add this. Boom. Did I put the line break? I did put the line break. So this is what we got so far. Oh, I can just shrink it up like this. It's about to edit the HTML to shrink it, but here. Boom. And then yeah, I could probably just put it to the right. I can have it collapse. Cool, we're gonna call this a day. We're gonna call this a day. thanks for watching if you ever do watch this. Bum, bum, bum.